Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you a very important skill. This skill is you can use this skill from yourself, from your YouTube, for your own YouTube channel and for your client's YouTube channel, and you can also provide the services of this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So the skill I will teach you today is YouTube intro. How to make YouTube intro in Canva. This is a very easy skill. You can easily make in 4 to 5 minutes in Canva. So let's get started without further ado. And here I search YouTube intro. YouTube intros. So guys, it is loading. Just wait for some seconds. So that's it. So it give us different like video templates, but I click on create a blank YouTube channel. So let's assume guys we have a tech YouTube channel. So I want to create intro for my tech YouTube channel. So let's get started. And here I search tech. And as you can see, it shows me different templates like this one, and yeah, this is the good, but I have to change some things like Iron Tech daily dose of tech. And let's see if we change our like background. So I click on videos and I search here background. Yeah, there are very good backgrounds. So I think this one is good. So replace background. Yeah, it's look good. After that we have to change the colors, and I choose black, and here I choose red color. After that we have to also upload a logo. So I search here tech logo. So there are different logos around tech, so I choose this one. This is a simple logo, and I place this logo here, and let's see. Welcome to Iron Tech daily dose of tech. But we also have to animate this logo, so I animate this one like, yeah, that's look good. Now see how it look likes. So guys, as you can see, it looks good. I played one more time, and you can see this is a good intro for our YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. Guys, I have a request for you that go to my YouTube channel Iron Tech, and go to the playlist section, and here I upload different courses like Pinterest marketing course, HTML complete course, Canva designing course, and in future I will upload different courses, so you can easily increase your learning and also earn some amount of money by learning these courses. So that's it for today, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.